Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to clock in on UKG Pro app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To clock in using UKG Pro mobile app, what you need to do first is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in UKG Pro and look for an app icon like this on your search list and then tap on it. Now you'll be getting a get button. Simply tap on that get button to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on open, and once you're inside the app, what you need to do is enter your organization access code. This code is typically provided by your employer. Then this may include your username and password, or you might use single sign on depending on your organization setup. Then once logged in, look for the time clock or points title on the main dashboard. Then tap on this tile to access the clock in or clock out interface. Then on the clock screen, tap clock in button, and you may be prompted to enable location services to confirm you are within a designated work area. After confirming your location, your clock in time will be recorded. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.